Water is essential for life. But not all water is the same. When we talk about daily use, we often hear the terms soft water and hard water. What is hard water? Hard water is water that contains a high amount of dissolved minerals, mainly calcium and magnesium salts. Soft water has very low amounts of dissolved minerals. How to identify soft water and hard water? There are several simple ways to check if water is hard or soft. One of them is soap lather test. If you mix soap in water, it quickly makes lots of foam and lather, it is likely soft water. If the water makes little foam and instead forms a white, cloudy layer, it is likely hard water. This is the simplest home test. What are the causes of hardness in water? The rainwater while coming down absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The water mixed with carbon dioxide, when passes through the beds of the soil, converts insoluble carbonates of calcium and magnesium into soluble bicarbonates. It may also dissolve chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. These salts make the water hard. Hardness of water is further divided into two types: temporary hardness and permanent hardness. Temporary hardness caused by dissolved calcium bicarbonates and magnesium bicarbonate. It can be removed by simple heating, like boiling. Permanent hardness caused by calcium magnesium sulfates and chlorides. Boiling does not remove these salts. Chemical treatment is needed to remove permanent hardness. How to soften hard water? The removal of magnesium and calcium ions, which are responsible for the hardness, is called water softening. Temporary hardness can be removed by two methods: by boiling and by Clark's method. On boiling, calcium and magnesium bicarbonate decomposes to produce insoluble calcium and magnesium carbonate, which is also known as boiler scale. How does Clark's method work? Thomas Clark was a Scottish chemist, discovered process of softening hard water. Clark's method is also known as lime softening process because in this process, calcium hydroxide is used to remove hardness, which is commonly known as slaked lime. The slaked lime reacts with the bicarbonates, converting them into insoluble carbonates. The insoluble carbonates of calcium and magnesium precipitate out of the solution and can then be removed by filtration. The ion exchange method is a widely used technique to remove permanent hardness caused by calcium and magnesium ions. In this method, water is passed through a tank containing a special resin called sodium zeolite. Resin is usually made from organic polymers. It has a large number of tiny beads that are insoluble in water. These beads have active sites on their surface that can hold ions like sodium. When hard water passes through, the resin exchanges its sodium ions with the calcium and magnesium ions in water. As a result, calcium and magnesium stick to the resin, and sodium ions go into the water. This makes the water soft. Permanent hardness can also be removed by adding washing soda, which is chemically known as sodium carbonate. Washing soda reacts with calcium and magnesium sulfates and chlorides that converted into insoluble carbonates, which precipitate out of the water and can be removed by filtration. The remaining sodium salts do not cause hardness. Hard water has many effects on daily life. Hard water reacts with soap to form scum. This means you need to use more soap to get a lather. Hard water leaves white deposits, called limescale, inside kettles, boilers, and pipes. This reduces their efficiency and lifespan. Hard water can make skin dry, and hair feel sticky. Drinking hard water may cause mild digestive issues.